Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I am here to bring you another Pet Treater subscription bag. Now, Pet Treater is a service for your pets, either your cats or your dogs. They have 3 different bundles to choose from. There's a $15 one, which is just the regular. It's a combination of treats and toys. That is $15 a month. Now, if you want toys only or treats only for either your cat or dog, that'll run you $18. And then they have the deluxe pack for like multiple animals in your home, and that's $25. And you can create a profile, add your animals, how old they are, and things like that. So I have found it to be very fun. I get the one for $18, which is the toys only. I have 2 big dogs that just, they need something to chew on to destroy. So let's see what I got. And they get so excited when we get a new toy. Oh boy, they really packed it this time. So the first thing I see, what is that? That's an elephant. It's called Critters. Multiple rows of stitching to hold the seams together to help create a more durable toy. Strong canvas fabric. The toys are meant to be sturdy and durable, great for playtime or as a cuddle buddy. Looking for squeakies. There is a squeaky in here. They'll be very happy about that. It's funny because they stay in the utility room at night, and you can hear them squeaking on the toys in there. So that's the first thing I got. Let's see. Free 2 months trial of the Ask Vet app. It's a care coach for personalized guidance and pet wellness coaching, 24/7 unlimited access to licensed vets, no appointments needed, peace of mind with rainy day fund and up to $1,000 for emergency vet visits, a free welcome bag. Start your free trial. So I'm going to hold this up. You can scan this QR code if you like. Make sure it's in there. If you wanted to check that out. So that is that. Then next, the pick of the litter. Now you can take pictures of your animals, send it into Pet Treater, and every month they decide who is the pick of the litter. Now this month, oh, here it is. Congratulations, Trip. Look at that face. Okay, more toys. Ooh, this will be good for my little guys. It's a dinosaur. Dragon. It's a dragon. Cute. Let's see the face. He's got a furry beard. So this is Drool and Dragons. Toys for dogs. Toss, fetch, play. It's Crinkle and Squeak. Yes, it is. My dogs will love that. And then we have a salamander, I think it is. Has a thing right in the middle. That'll be pulled out in no time flat. It's 2 layers of fabrics for extra toughness. ripped resistant webbing for edge protection, floats in the water for pool activity. That's kind of fun. So there's my salamander, and you always get a bandana for your, to wear around their neck. And this month is spider webs. How appropriate. These are cute. So that is what I got in my $18 toys only box. And I'm very happy with it. I mean, for $18, I mean, these tough toys are not cheap. So, and it is cheaper to do it this way, because they get rid of their overstock or whatever they want to feature that month. And I'm really happy with the subscription. And so are the dogs. Well, on that note, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I'll see you soon.